Hello, everyone. I'm Daniel, the CEO of Common Ninja, and I'm super excited to welcome you to today's webinar, Get Your Website Holiday Ready. The holiday season is right around the corner, and this is the most important time of the year for online businesses. Traffic spikes, engagement soars, and if you do it right, conversion can skyrocket. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sure your website is ready to capture that opportunity. We'll explore high converting Widget Plus offered by Common Ninja, beautiful holiday templates, and our brand new AI powered builder embeddable that lets you create any widget you can imagine. All of this, hopefully, in less than an hour. And if you are ready, let's dive in. Every year, we see over 60% traffic growth on retail websites during the holidays. And for many businesses, revenue jumped by 30 to 50%. This is an incredible opportunity, but also a challenge. Competition is higher than ever, and visitors make up their mind in seconds. This means that you have a few moments to grab attention, deliver your message, and convert your customers. And that's where Common Ninja comes in. For anyone new here, Common Ninja is a no-code platform for creating fully customizable website widgets. Over 500,000 businesses already use our widgets to engage customers, collect leads, and boost conversions. Our widget can be installed on any website and integrate seamlessly with tools like Zapier, Google Calendar, Airtable, and many more. So whether you're using Wix, Shopify, Webflow, Duda, or any other platform, you're covered. Now, let's be honest. During the holidays, everyone is fighting for attention. Discounts are everywhere, pop-ups, banners, countdowns, all over the place. The difference between a website that converts and one that doesn't often come down to two things. The first one is speed. How fast you can create and launch your campaigns. And the second one is creativity, how unique and relevant your message feels to your audience. And today I'll show you how Common Ninja helps you to achieve both. So let's start with Widgets Plus. Widgets Plus are the foundation of your website engagement strategy. They are designed to grab attention, drive action, and convert visitors without needing any developer. We are talking about pop-ups for discounts and lead capture, gamification widgets like sketch cards and spinning wheels, countdown timers, notification bars to create urgency, and more. Each one is fully customizable in terms of content, colors, fonts, when it triggers, everything. One of my favorite ones is the coupon pop-up builder. It can trigger based on scroll depth, time on page, exit intent, or specific pages. You can design it from scratch or start from one of our pre-made templates. We'll cover it later. Pop-ups like these are proven to reduce cart abandonment and boost conversion, especially during Black Friday and holiday sales. Now let's see a quick demo of how you can customize and use our coupon pop-up builder. So this is how you access the widget. So commonninja.com/widgets/coupon pop-up. Once you create a new widget, you can start customize it. And you can see how it looks here. So you can customize the cover image. I created some images in advance. You can upload your own. You can create an image with AI, with our AI image generator. And then you can do one of these two options. The first one, you can edit everything manually. So you can change the title, you can change the look and feel, right? You can change the layout of the pop-up, how the coupon look like, etc. The other thing you can do is to use our AI editor, which is very cool feature that you created. So I can instruct, like the AI editor knows the widget, and I can instruct the AI editor to customize the widget without me needing to understand all of the settings and how the editor works. So let's try that for example. Let's see, create a coupon pop-up for Halloween. This is the closest holiday. Halloween, offering 20% on all of the products on our website. spooky dark colors. Keep the coupon light. What else? Oh, also use the following image. And I can attach any image that I want. So let's go with that. All right, pressing enter. Our AI editor will analyze the widget you're currently building. Then he will plan the change that he's going to do. He's going to reflect what he's doing. And then you'll see within a few seconds that he changed the entire widget for you. So we changed the copy. I didn't instruct him what to write. He just understood from the context of what he's building. He changed the image as instructed. And even the coupon code itself. So now it's spooky 20. So this is quite cool. And the best thing about it, you can continue talking to our AI agent, or alternatively, you can start changing things manually by yourself. Now, the next thing I want to do is to change the visibility of the widget, when it's going to show up to users. So for that, we have the display rules. So this is a set of rules you can apply to the widgets to say whenever you want the widget to appear on the page. So you can say, I want it to appear when user try to exit the page. So we will detect the exit intent and trigger the pop-up to show. You can say, I want it to appear on exit intent, but I also want it to appear only once a day because you don't want to be too intrusive for the user. So you want it to appear only once a week, once a day, whatever. You can decide that it will appear after a delay of 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds on the page, the pop-up will appear. You can say, you can decide that only after 30% of page scroll and so on. And there are more complex rules if you want. We also support like API calls and all kind of things. This is more complex and I can cover it later on if you like. What else? Yeah, other than that, you also have an option to, where is it? To collect emails. So if you want people to fill up their emails before they see the coupon, you can collect the emails here, which is very good for lead generation. So this is also an option you can enable here. So you can change the email input title, the copy around it, and so on. And then you'll see under entries all of your leads. I currently don't have anything. All right, so this is the coupon pop-up. It's a very nice widget that you can use to promote sales on your website. Let's move on. Next, we have the gamification widgets. These are fun, interactive way to boost engagement and capture leads. Now, you've probably seen them, spin to win wheels, scratch cards, small experiences that make visitors feel like they are playing a game, not filling a form. It's simple psychology. People love rewards, right? You like rewards. I love rewards. And when it's easy and visual, conversions can jump by up to 40%. We saw that at Common Ninja last year on November sales. Now, let me show you how easy it is to create these at Common Ninja. So for the sake of this demo, I'm going to create a sketch card. So again, you can find a sketch card under the widgets catalog, sketch card. This is the widget, and let me quickly show you how you can customize it as well. So you see it's the same editor, but for the purpose of creating a sketch card, the first thing I'll probably want to do is to create the sketch image. So for that, I also created something. So I have this image that replaces this one. And now I can create the prizes, what I want people to win. So I want people to win a bucket of candies. Obviously, it's Halloween. Why not? So bucket of candies. Cool. Congratulations. You won the entire bucket. Hooray. All right, the coupon code will be I don't know. You don't have to fill that up. Um, you can redirect the user to another page if you want. And all of the submissions, like each time a user will sketch the card, it will go to submissions, the same as we saw in the coupon pop-up. You can also set probability or odds to each one of the prizes. So you want a chance of 1 to 10 to get this prize. And then you can have like a default prize for other people, like who want uh, who want to win this prize. So this is, let's say, the default prize or whatever. And then you can see how it works in the editor. You start into Scratch and you see I haven't won anything. And I can write, oh no, you haven't won the bucket. We have two modes of probabilities or how to like how each people can win or not win a prize. So we have the probability based and we have the fixed cap. I can say we have, I don't know, 200 people who can play the game, who can sketch card, and from the 200 people, um, three can win the prize and other people can't win it. Or I can add another prize and say um, three people can win this prize and five people can win this one, and the rest of the people will only win like the default prize or no prize at all. Okay, so I can change the type of distribution of the prize. Other things I can do, I can connect. So by default, this you can see that I can use the sketch card without filling up any information. So the sketch card allows you also to collect leads, and it has two type of leads you can collect. The first one is email, like we saw in the coupon builder, in the coupon pop-up. So you can add your own email, press submit, and only then you'll be able to start scratch the card. And the second one is custom form, when you can actually connect a form you created at Common Ninja, like custom form with a lot of information you can collect. And it has many, many options, and you can connect it. And then the user will need to fill up like a more complex form, and only then you will be able to sketch the card to play the game. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. And again, I haven't won a thing. Bummer. Other than that, again, you can change pretty much everything from the look and feel to the way the layout looks like, the coupon look like. We have the advanced look and feel and the custom look and feel. Most of you are already customers of Common Ninja, so you know how much customization you can have for each one of our widgets, so I won't cover it right now. All right. Other than that, we also have widget that helps you to build trust and urgency, like notification bars, countdown timers, social proof, reviews, and many more. These are perfect for promoting limited time offers or free shipping countdowns. You can combine them. For example, show a notification bar with a holiday sale ends in 2 hours. And then you can trigger a pop-up with a discount code just before timer end. All of this takes minutes to set up. Now let's talk about, sorry. Now let's talk about something we built specifically for this season and actually for this webinar, the Holiday Template Hub. We know you don't have time to build everything from scratch, so we created dozens of ready-to-use templates, beautifully designed, fully customizable, and optimized for conversions. They're categorized by holiday and by widget type, so you can quickly find what you need. You need a Christmas pop-up, a New Year countdown, a Black Friday sketch card. It's all there, ready to be used, and we keep adding more and more templates to the hub. So the hub is already available on Common Ninja's website. We'll send you the link after the webinar. You can customize everything, change the text color, the trigger settings, everything, but the idea is that you don't need to start from scratch. So you can see that we already have templates for Halloween and for Singles Day. So sketch card, pop-up builders, notification bar, like everything you need to make your website ready for the holiday. And you can see how each one of the widgets look like in the preview mode. And then if you want to use it, all you need to do is to click the use example. It will open up our editor with the template ready to be used. And then again, you can customize it however you'd like. You can change everything or change nothing, whatever works for you. So this is quite amazing, and this is like something I'm personally very excited about. Again, we'll send you the link after the webinar to this and to the other things we discussed. All right. Now, for something even more exciting, if widgets are your ready-made tools, Embeddable is your creative playground. Embeddable is our new AI-powered builder. It lets you create any widget or embeddable experience you can imagine without writing a single line of code. It's like having your own developer. It's built for speed, flexibility, and creativity. You can simply describe what you want in plain language, and our AI agent builds it for you, including design, logic, content management, database, and integrations. The output is a responsive SEO-friendly platform-agnostic widget that you can embed pretty much anywhere, the same way you can embed Common Ninjas widgets. And here's the best part. For this holiday season, we've created a special holiday widget generator tool, and we built it, you guessed it right, with Embeddable. So we created our own marketing tool with Embeddable so you can use it. You can use it to generate unique conversion-focused widgets, all driven by AI. Oh, I didn't mention, but the person in the company who built this widget or this tool is our marketing manager. No developer was involved here. So for example, you can prompt create a Christmas giveaway widget with a spinning wheel and confetti animation, or make a Black Friday pop-up that counts down the hours and reveals a coupon when time runs out. Within seconds, Embeddable will generate the entire widget for you, the visuals, the content, the structure, even the data connections and collection, and analytics. All you will need to do is to tweak a bit the design, the content, and then you can publish it to your website. By the way, if you register to the webinar through the notification bar on Common Ninja, it was created with Embeddable, again, by our marketing manager, not by any developer. All right, so let's see a quick demo of how this works. So first of all, embeddable.co/holiday generator. This is the URL for using this tool. Just for the sake of this webinar, let's try the Black Friday. What's my marketing objective? Sales conversion is popular, so I'll go with that. And I can add, I can add more context to the AI agent just to make it more personal. So let's write, I don't know, make it modern, dark themed with gold, gold highlights and confetti. Everyone like confetti. Confetti animation. All right. Next thing I want to do is to click the generate AI prompt. Now this tool will take the context that we provided him, will take the holiday and the marketing objective, and it will create a prompt for Embeddable, our AI builder, to build a widget. So I already did that in advance, like before the webinar. But basically I can take the entire thing and paste it in Embeddable. This is what it created. So this is the prompt. You can see what the agent is doing. He's analyzing the request of the user. Then he creates code, okay, from scratch. And then it published it as a widget or even as a landing page if you want. So you can take the entire thing and embed it either on your website or as its own website. So it's pretty cool. You can then customize everything. It creates dynamically an editor, like something as content management. So you can change things directly here without talking to the AI agent, the same way you can do it at Common Ninja. It also generates some settings you can play with, like max deals to show and other cool things. It integrates with no, this is analytics. It integrates with many other services. So you can collect leads, you can receive email notifications, you can connect AI agents if you want to make things more dynamic, like we did here. You can connect marketing tools for tracking, like Facebook Pixel and Google Ads, Analytics, Mixpanel, etc. And you can receive notifications on other channels to Webbook and connect it to automation platform like Zapier and Make. You can get notifications on Slack and more and more. Oh, and you can also collect payment, by the way. So this is quite cool. I did a couple of tests with Embeddable, and it generates very nice things. And by the way, we also started to experiment Embeddable ourselves and started to use it on a daily basis. And one thing we started to create with it are complete landing pages. So you can connect it to your own custom domain. So we connected it to boostcommonninja.com. We are using this page for promoting our content in our product in marketing campaigns. And you can see the page that Embeddable created. Very impressive. It's also optimized for conversion and fully responsive. I can show you how it's fully responsive, but it is. All right, so this is Embeddable, and let's recap. Today we saw how to use our widgets, Common Ninja widget, to grab attention and convert visitors. We learned how to launch campaign instantly with the Holiday Template Hub, and then how to go beyond template with Embeddable AI, creating anything your imagination allows. These two together can give you everything you need to own the holiday season. It gives you speed and it gives you the creativity you need. And because you joined this webinar, you get early access to all of it. The Holiday Template Hub is available right now. Embeddable is live and open for all webinar attendees, and widgets obviously are also there. You can start experimenting with everything right after this session. Again, we'll share all the links in a follow-up email. And specifically for everyone who attended this webinar, we are going to send a discount for Embeddable, a 50% discount for the first month for Embeddable, so you can start using it right away. All right, now it's your turn. If you have any question, drop them in the chat and I'll go through them live. You can talk about use cases, setup, integrations, how to pick the best widget for your goals. Go ahead. All right, so we have the first question from Candice Cohen. Do all of these widgets work on Duda website? And the answer is, of course. Common Ninja's widgets are can be installed on any website and any web page, including Duda. We have YouTube guides that share that. On our YouTube channels, you'll find many tutorials on how to embed Common Ninja's widget on various platforms. Duda is one of them. So let's look for Duda, and you can see like a general help video on how to embed Common Ninja widget on Duda.
If website button, and drag and place it on your page wherever you wish your widget to.
All right. Who else? All right, we have another question from Siva. Explain 100 token limit on Pro plan. Typically, what does this mean in terms of usage? So the way AI platforms work in general, not only Embeddable or Common Ninja, behind the scene they are using LLMs like OpenAI and Anthropic, Claude, for that matter. Tokens, we try to simplify like the way tokens work at Common Ninja and Embeddable. And the way we count tokens is by writing a message. So you wrote a message to our AI agent, you received a reply from it, then it counts as one token. So you can write up to, oh, and it resets each month. So you can write up to 100 messages in 1 month. Hope that answered the question. Sure. All right. Glenn is asking, I have been experimenting with Embeddable, but find it takes some time to work properly on my Wix page. How to learn or watch video to help make published Embeddable video work properly on my site. Um, this sounds like a specific issue, maybe on your Wix website or maybe on Wix in general. I'll be happy to help. So if you can reach me out after this session, Daniel@commonninja.com, and I'm sure we can figure this out together. Any other questions from the audience? We are in a very good time, less than an hour, as promised. All right. We are available as support if anyone needed or have any follow-up questions. So thank you everyone for joining. I hope you got some great ideas and inspiration to make this holiday season your best ones yet. And remember, it's not about traffic, it's about engagement, experience, and conversion. And with Common Ninja, you have everything you need to make it happen. So thanks again and happy holidays from all of us at Common Ninja. Bye bye.